Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato chips in the air fryer. Let's do it. I've already washed my sweet potato and I've cut it in half. I've begun to use my mandolin to cut up my potato chips. And I'm just going to do a little more so you can see how easy it is, just slicing right across. First, I want to go ahead and use olive oil cooking spray to lightly spray my potato chips. Now we're going to put them in our air fryer. And I'm going to put them in upside down so I can lightly spray the other side. Gonna spray another light spritz over the sweet potato chips. Now we're gonna put them in the air fryer. I set it at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. We're gonna check them in 5 minutes and see if they need to be turned over. It's been 5 minutes, so let's give it a test. They just need to be flipped a little bit. I'm going to give it another little light spritz of olive oil. And we'll let it go for 5 more minutes and come back and see how our chips are doing. The timer has gone off, so let's see how our potato chips are doing. They are looking pretty good. Let's see. Woo, that's hot. All right, let's give it a taste test and listen to see if it has that crunch yet. They taste really good. There's a little crunch, but I think we should give them a couple of more minutes. So let's give them 2 more minutes and then come back for another taste test. The timer's gone off. Let's check our potato chips. All right, it's time for a taste test, and let's see if we can hear that crunch. That's amazing. You can eat them just like this, or you could sprinkle ground cinnamon on them, or you could do a special seasoning for French fries like this Gourmet Collection Spice Blend. I've done both, but honestly, they taste pretty amazing just like this. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. If you want to know every time a new video comes out, hit the bell. Have a great day, my friend. I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.